wanted to take a couple of minutes to talk to you today about a type of insurance coverage that is essential for you to have to make sure that you and your family are protected in the event that you get injured in a car wreck. And that is uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, which is also known as coverage. So imagine you're driving down the road and out of nowhere comes another driver who's on his cell phone and runs a red light and T-bones you. You break your leg, you break some ribs, you have to go to the emergency room, you have to have surgery in order to fix your broken leg, you have to have several follow-up orthopedic visits and months of physical therapy. You have thousands of dollars in medical bills and you've lost income as a result of your injuries. You've been in severe pain and you haven't been able to move around normally in months. Now, typically, you would look to the other driver's car insurance in order to get compensation for your injuries and your medical bills and your lost income. But in Georgia, the law only requires that drivers have $25,000 in insurance coverage. Now, in the scenario I just described, that $25,000 could very easily be eaten up by medical bills alone, leaving you with no compensation for your pain and suffering or for your lost income. And what's worse is that many drivers don't even have the minimum required coverage. Some drivers have no car insurance at all. So that is where insurance comes in. Insurance is coverage that you buy from your own car insurance company on your own car insurance policy that provides protection for you in the event that you get in a wreck with someone who has not enough insurance or has no insurance at all. So in the scenario I described earlier, if you had $100,000 or more in coverage, for example, you could make a claim against that coverage in order to make sure that you are fully and fairly compensated for your injuries, even though the other driver did not have enough insurance. An important thing to know about coverage is that Georgia law prohibits a car insurance carrier from raising your rates just because you made a claim against your own policy. So coverage is very affordable and is one of the best ways to protect you and your family in the event that you get injured in a car wreck with another driver. If you have any questions about coverage or insurance coverage in general, or you've been in a car wreck, please give us a call. We'd be happy to guide you through the process and make sure that you get the compensation that you need to get your life back on track.